What's up, guys? Just home, like usual, hanging out in the garage. A friend of mine hit me up wanting my valve train out of my Civic Type R head. So I went ahead and took everything out, disassembled the head. Valve train looks pretty good, so don't know if he's gonna come by and pick this stuff up. If not, I'll just post it. Meantime, I'll probably send the head in to machine shop, get all cleaned up. Nothing really much changed. Never really went in depth of the hatchback that I recently purchased. Um, it's pretty much stock, but I have changed a few things. Uh, Changed the headlights, put the dingy headlights on there. I really like them. Then I went ahead and put in the HID kit on there so I can see better at night. And just do some little wheels on there because I didn't want to ride the Steelies on there. So here's like a walk around of the hatchback I picked up. Inside is pretty much like I said, stock. So I like the little cars. It's fun. Definitely light. You can feel the lightness of the chassis. So just getting you guys a little more in depth of the hatchback. Definitely needs to be repainted. So that's a big thing about me when I'm building cars. I like them looking clean and minty fresh. So yeah, need a paint job and see what engine I'm gonna throw in this thing. Probably looking towards a B16B Type R, Civic Type R motor. That's what I'm leaning towards as of right now. And as far as the S2000, when I get the opportunity to do some work on this one, probably gonna throw it. Well, it's not probably. I will. I want to supercharge it, so I think I'm gonna go with the HKS supercharger. I'm not trying to go too extreme with S2000 because that's my cruiser and occasionally track day car. So yeah, that's the update on me. A lot of projects to work on: my race car, my S2000, and the hatchback.